Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I have IQoo Z5 phone, guys. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you check RAM in IQoo Z5 phone. Today we are going to talk about in this video, guys. Today I will tell you how to check, guys, and how can you check. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, what will you have to do, guys? You will have to come on your phone setting to check RAM, and guys, this setting, guys, we will click here. After that, friends, you will have to come on about phone. Yes, friends, click on about phone, and guys, you can see RAM here, and guys, you can check from here also RAM and storage space. So I will click on about phone, and guys, you can see RAM. So I think, friends, you have understood how to check RAM in IQoo phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before now, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.